Guitar Bobby here with Jamaica Farewell in the key of C. Very straightforward. Starts with the one chord, which is C. On the high G chord, which is the third string, there's the melody. Down the way where the to F nights are gay and the mountains. There's the back to the G chord, open third string, to the F. I'm using my little finger on that. There's the melody. Took a trip on a sailing ship. G, F, E, and open D, E, D, C, and there we are cadencing right on that one chord. Again, F chord to G chord, back to the C chord. Becomes a G7. I'm sad to say, D minor, on my way. G7 won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. Sad to say, I'm on my way. D minor, G7. Be back for many a day. Back to the one chord. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. Never been to Jamaica? Down in the market, you can hear the ladies with the heads they bear. Ake rice, saltfish are nice, and the rum is fine any time of year. I'm sad to say I'm on my way, won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. I'm sad to say I'm on my way.